What's the nature of God? I'd like to talk about it by way of this little piece of wood. It was given to me a few years ago by our missionary, working most of her life in Liberia. Certainly that's a place of very great trouble, of death and destruction, civil war, and all the rest. It lies so wonderfully in one's hand. You can almost sense the workman who took the time to shape this while holding it just like this. And just imagine that. On the bottom is inscribed Isaiah 49:15. And here's that verse. Can a woman forget her nursing child, or show no compassion for the child of her womb? Even these may forget, yet I will not forget you. There's that hand of compassion holding on to the child in very great distress in Liberia. I will not forget. There's the nature of God. I will not forget.